Yo, my people, this is Maximus, the Raft captain here. My Raft never tremble yet till she pull up. And to make it rascal worse, tourist girl bring all of she things. She think this a bumbo clock cruise ship. Ratted, me have to go save her to rascal. Cause me not even get pay. Me nah get pay enough for that. Girl them sink lower than the Titanic. Me could have been a police dog in the force, but me there homeless. With a madman who smell sour like bad milk. My owner say we homeless, but me confused. Who make the cardboard box lease in my name? Them say stay loyal to what? A madman will sleep in a cardboard box and call it apartment. My owner just piss beside me and call it shared space. Me done with this madness, yeah? Maximus, wake up the aliens, them want my bank account. Hey. Which bank you can't save your bumper clot face?
Tell me, Maximus, you're attracting a whole heap of fans on social media and a whole heap of them happen to be women dogs. What's your type?
A woman when I have no pipe.
You ever think about settling down and being a loyal dog?
Loyal?
To who?
Me loyal to my belly and my instincts. Settle down, now I come from the streets, me run free. Remember when you could lie one way for hours? Me I get told in a dog years, every 15 minutes me have to flip like rotisserie chicken before my hips start ball. Watch yourself, boy. You need to look where you go. And you need to go where you look, me not lie. And you need to go where you look. Your eye cross. Look man, this here must be laundry there. A lot of y'all teeth look like MPIV bags. Yeah, me say it. remember, no afraid for wear back the same weave. It a show say, are you are the owner. Ratted, stuck here. You about here play hide and seek now. You ever notice that the pastor them on TV pray? And everybody drop down except the cameraman.